Howdy! In this video I'm going to show you how I've designed the course in Canvas and where everything's laid out. So I've taken a few online courses using Canvas myself. It always took me a week or two to figure out where everything was at. Canvas is great, but it puts things in multiple places so you can get to it in multiple places, which is fine. Whatever works for you. I just want to show you how I've laid it out. My focus is really on modules. So if you see this link over here, if you really just focus on modules, I think it'll help you know what you need to do and kind of what order you need to do it in. So for the first week, week 10, you can see we're going to be working with volume. And this is the layout of everything you need to do this week. So here you've got the Intro to Math 112 online. Likely you've already been in here and you're viewing the videos from in here. The nice thing about the modules is at the bottom it allows you just to go to the next component of the module. So I've dropped my office hours in here. This is a link to Google Hangout and you can go there between 1 and 2 and I'll be in that Hangout. You can just join it and say hi and we can address any questions you have or things you want to chat about. Oh, I was going to mention, if you'd rather me not see you, that's fine. You can just click on the microphone and not the video, and I'll be able to hear you but not see you. The next part of this module gets into the lessons. So your first lesson's on 13.1. You can see the objectives here, class activities if you need them, and then the videos. So you can see there's a couple videos there. And that's a typical format for a lesson. I'm going to go back to modules so we can see the overview. You can see lesson 13.2 is similar. Then there's a homework assignment. If you take a look at the homework assignment, homeworks are coming from the textbook. I would expect you to just do this on a piece of notebook paper and then upload your homework as a PDF. Many ways you can get that done, but one useful tool is Camscanner. It's a free app and it works really well to convert pictures into PDFs. Also, I'll make a comment when you're logging in and setting up that app, it makes it seem like you have to register or you only get limited downloads, but if you kind of skip it or continue anyway, it will allow you to use the app without an account and without paying any money. So just throw that out there. You'll also notice there's a group meeting assignment. So I will do another video to explain what I'm looking for in the group assignments. So don't worry about that for now. And that's pretty much the layout of the module. You'll see in lesson 13.3 there's a discussion post. I'll explain the discussion post, what I'm looking for, in another video there. It's a little different than your typical discussion post, I would say. Again, you can see a 13.3 homework group meeting. There's another homework assignment. This will be right in Canvas, so you don't have to upload anything. And then a quiz at the end of the week. So notice the deadlines. You're welcome to work ahead of the deadlines, but do meet the deadlines. Let me know if you have any questions or issues there. So that is how it's organized, mainly just focused on modules. Obviously, if you want to go to the discussion board, you can click discussions and it'll take you right there. But as you're working through your week, you can get to the discussion board through the module as well. So, thanks and have a great day.